In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view your CPU processor information on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right-click on a blank area of your taskbar and select Task Manager. Select Performance on the left side. It's this little icon, the second one down. And then underneath performance in the center column, select CPU, and then your CPU information should be listed right up here at the top. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.